In this video, I'll speak about 10 things that can get your channel demonetized. You might be uploading your videos from January till now, not knowing that sometimes you're uploading and you're doing the wrong thing. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you 10 things. In fact, one of them almost got my own channel demonetized. Okay, but I was so quick to resolve it. Okay, so if you're seeing this face for the first time, in this channel, I deal on diversity of content, I deal on YouTube growth, I deal on crypto trading. This particular video, I'm going to talk about YouTube growth and also YouTube demonetization. Factors that can demonetize your channel, and number one is copyright infringement. When I talk about copyright infringement, do you know that copyright is using someone's content without a proper permission from the person? I did a video on this channel and I was promoting a particular service. So this young man copied, in fact, he didn't even copy it, he did copy and paste. He carried my content and uploaded on his own channel. Okay, so I got a notification that there are two content that is appearing on YouTube. So when I went into my copyright angle, I noticed that someone is using my content in a particular channel. Okay, but there are some copyrights that YouTube doesn't strike immediately, but if you do a proper follow-up, if you submit a proper request for YouTube is going to take down that video and they will give that channel a warning. After the warning, if they don't delete that particular video, YouTube will take down the video or they'll take down the channel. Okay, so if you want to use someone's content, in your description you add it there, and you can also tag the channel that this content doesn't belong to me, it belongs to this channel. Okay, with that, your channel is safe and free from copyright infringement. Okay, and if you are doing shorts and you know that the sound you're using is monetized, like the sound belongs to me, and in my own channel I've already monetized that sound. If you're uploading it in your own channel, you make sure you off monetization. Don't go and monetize, don't on your monetization. If not, though, you can get a copyright strike. Okay, off your monetization if you're using a monetized content. But if you're not yet monetized, you're free to use. But just know that if that particular content becomes your popular video, popular content, and once you're monetized and you want to start making money, YouTube will flag it. And number two is uploading of inappropriate content that is promoting violence, content that is mature, that you know that you can't put it out there, especially when your channel is meant for kids, or when even though your channel is not meant for kids and you click that button that is written made for kids and you upload a content that is 18 and above, content is inappropriate. It's as if you're trying to bring in a matured content to the presence of little children. Okay, so you know that on YouTube both the big and the small uses YouTube. So any content that you know that is 18 and above, know that you don't bring it here. You can take it to other website or other community. Don't post it here. If you post it, your channel will not, if your channel is monetized, your channel will be demonetized immediately. And number three is misleading metadata. Misleading metadata are those titles that you put, those thumbnails that you put just to get views, just to get clicks. Okay, like you upload someone and you say this person said so and so thing without that person saying that particular thing. Or for those of you that are doing AI videos, you upload an AI thumbnail that this particular person said this person said this, whereas there was nothing like that. And once YouTube noticed that that title, that thumbnail is misleading, and they get any report, in fact they don't even need to get a report from any user. Once they go through your video, they scan and see that your title is misleading, your thumbnail is misleading, to take down that video. In fact, if you're monetized, you'll demonetize immediately. But if you're not monetized, you'll take down your channel immediately. The good thing about monetized channel and a channel that is not monetized, once you upload anything misleading or inappropriate, if you're monetized, they'll just demonetize you. But if you're not monetized, they'll just take down your channel. And number four is spam or repetitive content. If you upload a video after 48 hours, after in 72 hours, after 24 hours, and you know that that video is not doing well, my dear, it is either you private that video or you delete that video. Don't keep that video on, especially if your channel is monetized. I'm telling you, this number 4 almost got my channel demonetized. Okay, I went and unlist a particular video and uploaded it again. If you know that that video is not doing well, it is better you delete it. Okay, but if you don't delete it and you upload it again, it will be seen as a repetitive content, thereby leading to taken down. Okay, so make sure that you don't repeat any content. If you post any content and you know that that content is not doing well, that the click impression is not there, the audience retention is very low, delete that content, delete it, or you private it. It's either you delete or you private it. Once you upload a new one, after 48 hours, after 72 hours, if you compare and you know that the first one is even better than the other one, you can go ahead and delete the second one. Or if the second one is better than the first one, you can go ahead and delete the first one. Okay, and number 5 is hate speech or harassment. This number 5, I have a particular YouTube channel. Okay, this particular channel, I only use it to interact, or I use it to comment on a post on different channel, because I don't use my this particular channel, I don't use it to interact with other channels. Okay, because of hate speech or harassment. To me, I might give out my own comment, my own view in a particular channel, not knowing that YouTube can be seeing that particular comment as hate speech or harassment. It happened to me last 2 years. I used a particular channel to comment on a particular video. It was just a normal comment, and when I wanted to log in into that particular channel, I noticed that that channel was, well, there was no notice, it was just deleted, and I got a mail that it was out of hate speech. I say, how? From that day, I always mind what I comment, and I always mind how I use my own channel to comment. Okay, number 6 is endorsing of harmful products. Do you know that those of you that promote on your YouTube channel, there are some products that you promote, YouTube will be looking at you with one eye. They won't even answer you. They'll just be looking at you. Immediately you finish promoting that product and you send it out, they will allow you, in fact, they can even give that. YouTube is a very funny place. They can give you that particular content. They can give a very high CPM, a very high RPM. That particular video, you can be seeing $2,000, you can be seeing $1,000. They'll wait for you. Immediately you get to the end of the month, when you want to cash out, they'll just strike you. So you know the kind of thing you promote. I think YouTube is against betting. They're against alcohol. There are some betting sites you can promote and your channel will get deleted. Like, you're coming to your channel and you're promoting, you're endorsing content that is meant for 18 and above, and that's your content. Most times you always click on made for kids. Even though you don't click on made for kids, there are some content you don't post on YouTube channel, especially once your channel is monetized. And number 7 is fake and misleading content. Fake and misleading content. I've come across a lot of channels. The title will be how to make $1,000 in 2 days, and once you click that video, there'll be the information they are giving there is just different, and out of that, some people can even report your channel. Okay, some people can even dislike your channel, and if we have like 20 to 30% of report for that particular channel, you can just wake up one morning and discover that your channel is gone. So before you post something, make sure that that title, your thumbnail, it is in your video, it is not misleading. Okay, or else just get ready for another 4,000 watch hour or another 1,000 subscribers, because and number 8 is excessive promotion of matured content. Excessive promotion of matured content. I see YouTube as a platform where people come to learn, both adults and children. Okay, they come here to learn, and if you keep on promoting matured content like pornography on your channel, and especially if those contents, I can see that there is a particular channel, the thumbnail You know that before someone will click on your video, the thumbnail will be attractive. Okay, they'll click. Most people click because of your thumbnail. I've seen where someone upload an adult thumbnail, like the thumbnail has something pornographic on it. You know, some people will just, oh, the thumbnail is something sexy. Once they click it, you notice that that particular video is saying something different, and once they click, they've gotten views. YouTube notice that your thumbnail is not what you have in the content, they will delete your channel. It's not that you cannot post mature things on your channel. You can still post mature things on your channel, but make sure what you have in your thumbnail is what you have in your content, or else your channel can get reported and deleted immediately. Okay. Number 9 is manipulation of views. Manipulation of views, manipulation of likes. Okay, you can see someone upload a video, and I don't know how they do it. Okay, I don't know, but you see views just dropping in. Those things, I don't know how they do it, because I can't say anything about that. But I don't just know it, because if I know how to do it, I don't even want to know how to do it. It can affect your channel. Click views, robots will be giving you views. YouTube will just allow you just be getting those views. One day your cup will full, and YouTube will just give it to you. You'll drink, and once you drink, it's over. They'll tell you congratulations. All those bots, all those fake views you're putting in your channels, they are seeing it. YouTube is a community that is very strict. You cannot joke with YouTube, because they are paying you. Okay, so they take their business very serious. So if you think you want to fake them, if you want to manipulate them, they are wise. In fact, they are wiser than you. So avoid fake views, avoid bot views. Just create good content. Continue. I know it's not easy. Continue creating. One day you will pick up one, and if you continue creating your content, someone asked me that, someone asked me the other day that I've been creating quality content, yet I said keep creating and upload right. I did a live video, and the title was the best time to post. In that live video, I also talked about how to post. Okay, not you have 10 videos. It's not a guarantee that if you post all those 10 videos, you go viral. You might not go viral if you post it wrongly. Okay, so I did a live video that was last week. You can check out my live. I made the details of how to post and when to post. And number 10 and the last is violating YouTube community guidelines. In fact, everything I mentioned is inside the YouTube guidelines. This is just few of the guidelines. They have a lot of guidelines, more than 10. Okay, so if you know that you are part of the YouTube partner program, the first thing you should do is just go through the guidelines. Because if you don't go through the guidelines, just a little comment, hate comment you drop in a post, it is not that you're creating a bad content, just a hate comment you drop in a post that is not even your channel, they can trace that comment, trace to the channel, and demonetize your channel or delete your channel. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. If you find this video interesting, I just want you to also do me a favor by sharing this video to some other young creators. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you get quick updates whenever I drop content. Okay, once again, you're welcome to this channel. In this channel, I deal on diversity of content, I deal on YouTube growth, I deal on crypto trading, and also forex trading. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Peace out.